Hi, in this video I will show you the second step in the campaign creation process, which is the advertising. First of all, you must select on which channels you would like to advertise. By default, we always select Facebook and Instagram, but you have also the opportunity to select LinkedIn or TikTok, and you can always change this, select or deselect additional channels during the campaign creation or even after publishing the campaign. So right now we'll just stick to Facebook and Instagram. Then you can write the ad text. You can do it yourself, or you can do so using our AI tool, which I will demonstrate here. So as you can see, the AI tool creates a basic text, which you can use to build further upon, or you can just read through it and see if you want to change anything or it's just good to go. And then in the next step, you have to select the company's logo. In this case, I will select the logo of Central Perk. And you may also want to select some images for your campaign. For example, I will select this, and this pictures. Once you press show my ads, the advertisements are generated, and we always really encourage you to select at least 3 pictures. This way the ads will have several variants which can help optimize your campaign. Once your ads are generated, you can see that there are several variants. So as you can see, there are 3 different kinds of placements. There are feed, story, and reels ads, which all have different formats required to advertise with. So first of all, the feed placement is the standard square image with some text above and below. Then you also have the story variant, which is a full screen image size, which is also shown in a slightly different place on the different social media channels. And there's finally also the reels, but the reels require you to upload a video. So it's similar size to the story images, but you have to use a video, and you can also change the headline of text on the video over here. So let's see if we have a video to upload. Yes, can use this video. And you should know that you can always add one of the ads variants or a video later on during the campaign creation process. Then also you have the ability to change the call to action. So we provide 3 different options for this. This goes for actually all of the placements, but then in a slightly different place. Then for the feed ads, there are several parameters you can change. For example, the text. This was generated using our AI tool, but you can always decide to change anything you don't like. So, for example, you do not like that there is 2 sentences behind the main text, and you can just choose to delete so, and of course hit save after you make a change. But you may also want to use a slightly different layout or more coloring in the ads. For example, you can select one of the standard overlays, and these are some layouts that we have tested a lot with, and we know that they work in general. And you may select one of those here. Also, if you want, you can choose to drag around some of the elements, change the color of the elements, but you may also want to change the text, for example. So let's say we want it on the white background, want to select another color. So you have a lot of opportunities to tailor the ads in any way you like to do. You may also select these rectangles and change the transparency, which can have some really cool looks. And you can also add more rectangles and also an additional text field. So let's say you want to include the location of the job on your ad. You can do so by adding a new field and then changing it to where you would like it to be. With the text, you can also select different fonts. And of course, once you're happy with the design of your ad, make sure to hit save. At the bottom of the ads, we also have some optional fields to fill in. For example, the display link. You may choose to provide another URL, but note that this is only for visual purposes. If you want to change the URL of your vacancy page, I will show you that in another video. Here you can type in the display link. So let's say centralperk.com/jobs. And you can also give a company description. So let's say Central Perk is the most fun coffee shop in town. Regarding the story and Reels ads, you have also the opportunity to make some changes there. Especially for the story, you can select the elements and drag them around and use different overlays, similar to you can do with the feed placements. For the Reels ads, it's just the video that you upload. So you have only the opportunity to change the video before you upload it. If you're all happy with your ads, make sure to hit save and then you're good to go to the next step. So if you would like to change any of the advertising channels before or during the campaign, you can do so by toggling them here. So let's say you do not want to advertise on Instagram, but you do want to advertise on TikTok. You can change so here, and then you're able to save those changes. Then we're good to go to the next step in the creation process, which is creating the vacancy page. But if you have any more questions or would like to know more about the advertising menu, feel free to go to our help center and search for your questions there.